Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Saily SIM on and off, both on iPhone and Android. Let's start with iPhone. To turn off your Saily SIM, open Settings, tap Mobile Service or Cellular depending on your model, then select your Saily SIM. Now, just find the option called Turn on this line and switch it off. That's it. Your Saily SIM is now deactivated. When you're ready to turn it back on, follow the same steps and toggle it back to on. Your SIM will reconnect automatically, and you'll be good to go with mobile data again. Alright, now let's check out how to do the same thing on Android. Open Settings, go to Connections, then tap SIM Manager. Find your Saily SIM and switch the toggle off to deactivate it. To turn it back on, simply toggle it on again. Easy as that. Turning your Saily SIM on or off can come in handy if you want to save data, switch between plans, or troubleshoot a connection issue. And if you ever need help, Saily's customer support team is available 24/7 right inside the app. So that's it. That's how you can easily manage your Saily SIM, turning it on or off whenever you need. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick Saily tutorials, and check out the link in the description to get up to 15% off your next Saily plan.